Hello there guys, welcome back to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. Something a little bit different. I've got this in today. It's a pure e-scooter. This particular one says it is a pure Air 3 Pro Plus. And basically, if I press and hold this button here, it does not turn on. So that's okay, good start. I've got a compatible charger here, 36 volt charger with a little adapter on the end to make it charge. I'll plug this in, show you what happens. Okay, so that's plugged in now. Charger is green. And if I press this, it turns on. I can't make it work. It says it's constantly very low battery. It will not charge. Charger stays green, as you can see there. It is not red. Interesting. The light works. Oh, and it's gone off. It seems to just kind of maybe barely kick the battery back into existence. But there's not a lot going on with it. So I need to take this apart. I think there are... Oh my goodness, it's charging. What? Oh, it stopped charging. Thought I'd fixed it then. Didn't do that before. Well, it's not charging or turning on now, so who knows? It has not magically fixed itself. I don't think. No, it still doesn't turn on. Right, so this here, I'm pretty sure I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to take out. Then there's some bits holding on the bottom here by the wheel, and there's some bits holding on there by the wheel from underneath. So I'll get these undone. To get to those, you've got to take out these rubber bungs. I've only got 4. There were supposed to be 6. So we'll get a screwdriver in them, twist on them, and they're meant to go in those holes down there on the top of the deck. But we'll, I don't know, zoom in or something and take this off. So the screws are out now. Focus. Anyone? There you go. They're that long. They are 3mm Allen head. I reckon if I use this handy dandy measuring doodad, be an M4, if that fits through. And lengthwise, oh, there goes the washer. About 1 centimetre long, so 10mm, or more like 12 if you include the head. But yeah, nothing too exciting. Nut. Or, bolt, sorry. Right, it's probably worth taking you handheld for this bit. So we've got a Phillips head, and a Phillips head here that I think all have to come off. They all hold something on, I'm sure. Then back here we've got some Allen heads. Looks like maybe a 3mm and 2mm Allens. There's another Phillips there, or Posi, or whatever you want us to call it. So I'll get these off, see how far we come. Okie dokie, that's the lot of those out. So back here, they were all the same Allen head as I showed you at the start. Then there was that little Phillips one there. And this is like a cover for the motor cable to keep it in place with that little crosshead screw in there. Then on the front, there's this plate with these long, they're actually self-tapping screws. Long ones of those, and that went in there like that. And then the screws up the front here, and that hole were all the same. So, nothing too awful there. Let's flip this back up, and we can get into it. Okay, I'm going to try to do this bit one-handed. I'll just slide off that way. And then, we can see its gubbins. Battery pack, controller, heatsink, and charge port is just over there. Oh, the charge port looks a bit broken, doesn't it? It does. Let's have a closer look at that. Okay, right, you're back on the tripod now. Hopefully you can see. Let's see about plugging this into this charge port. Something looks a bit dodgy going on with the charge port. That's something very loose. Oh, look. That's where it normally is, but if I push that in, look, it charges. Ah. going handheld again. Okay, hopefully you can see the black cable there is all loosey-goosey. This is not right, is it? If we watch the charger, as I do that, there's the LED on the charger just there. I can make it go red, green, red, green, red. God, would you look at that? Very good. Well, that'll work then, won't it? I don't know if it turns on while it's charging. Oh yeah, look, it will turn on. And it will take a charge. There you go, that's showing all we're charging. You can't use me right now because I'm on charge. Fantastic. That was easy, wasn't it? Nice quick one. To replace the charge port, I think you just undo, there's a screw by the side of it, and pop a new one in. Yeah, look, screw on each side, pop a new one in. It's a connector there, obviously red is positive, black is negative. It's a JST connector, that is. Easy peasy. Oh well, I'll get that sorted, I'll stick a new one in there. And I'm not going to bother filming replacing a charge port, that's boring. Oh, kind of a short one this time, but great to be able to see what the problem is, I suppose. And get it sorted. Thanks very much for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.